Tawi Rimaldora po. Let's have coffee now. I would rather utilize this one compared to this one because this coconut shell has no chemical component. Compared to this one, social, but it has a danger component. Remember, brethren, that life is short. You like this one? You like this one? It's up to you. But most probably, we all die. But as for me, I would rather to utilize this one. One thing that I have learned from my olds. It's all about, thank you, I'm Tawi Rimaldora of Sigkay, Banga, Aklan.